Hi everybody, David Dilling from Markzware here. Today, on behalf of everybody at Markzware, I'm proud to introduce Q2ID version 6 for CS6 of InDesign for the Macintosh. I'm going to give you a short little demonstration now. Let's go check it out and see how easy it is to convert, actually open, your QuarkXPress files right in Adobe InDesign CS6. Alright, so to use Markzware's Q2ID version 6, we simply go down to our dock here on the Mac and open Adobe InDesign CS6. Love that new splash screen. I mean, that thing is really funky. Once inside of InDesign, you'll notice up top in the menu item, a menu item called Markzware. Okay, so under the Markzware, you'll see all the Markzware products, including a product we're working on to convert PDF into InDesign. More on that later. Stay tuned. Alright, so with Q2ID version 6 from Markzware on the Macintosh for CS6, it's as simple as going in there under Markzware, Q2ID, and select Convert QuarkXPress Document. Then you select and open the QuarkXPress file you want to convert. Q2ID will convert everything: styles, colors, positioning, trapping or overlapping. You name it, it will convert it. If you use custom extensions on your Quark file, first check with Markzware. Not all custom extensions will convert perfectly. And there you have it. Alright, this is a bit of an older file that we've used for years giving flight check demonstrations. So let me now show you a more modern file. In fact, this file is something which was used, generated in Quark for the new iPad, for generating an iPad publication. So let's go convert QuarkXPress document again, and we'll select that document. So there we see the file we need to convert. Quark9 file. We select it, and we hit open. Now here comes an interesting little choice. We can select which layout. We can even select all. There's multiple layouts used in that project, that file, to create an iPad publication that we now need back in InDesign to make a print document out of. We click OK. Wow, look how fast that was. And there you have it. Now we have two separate files that were generated from the two horizontal and vertical ads created within QuarkXPress 9, now in InDesign CS6. This empty box here was a video, and that will not convert over, of course. You have to reinsert that, and if it's a print document, you need to change it anyway. But look at that. All the elements convert over. The banner, the text, the stylization, the images, the positioning, perfect. Q2ID version 6 from Markzware is now available for Macintosh and soon for Windows as well, which will work very similar to what you see here. Q2ID from Markzware costs only $199 or euros. It generally pays for itself back after only one conversion. No more recreating and relaying out files when you can, with a click of a button, convert your old QuarkXPress legacy content right into InDesign. For more information on Markzware's Q2ID, cruise on over to markzware.com today, or click on the main section to get all details and specifications on this multi-award-winning product. I recommend you go to the Q2ID's articles section. For there you can read what others are saying about Q2ID, testimonials on how good Q2ID is and how complete and helpful the conversion is. Why recreate content when you can convert it with a click? For instance, Susan Lafferty over in the UK had this to say: "Superb product. No more wasted time redoing old Quark files. Don't know how I went this far without it. Well worth the money. Wow." This is David Dilling from Markzware, thanking you for your time. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or any of my colleagues on sales@markzware.com.